Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about 1688, and in this video I will show you on how to get refund for out of stock items or goods on 1688 without any stress. Let me show you how. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or IBFish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and open up my 1688 Chinese shopping app. Then after you open up your 1688 Chinese shopping app, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on your profile icon. Then the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here to look for a particular product that is out of stock. So I'm going to click on this one right here. So once you click on that, the next thing you want to do, if you have a multiple goods right here, you need to know the one that is out of stock. And for you to do that, just make sure you contact with the supplier. So and I'm going to use this particular product here as an example. This product here is out of stock as claimed by the store. So next thing we want to do is to see how we can get our money back, which is this 23 yuan. For that, go ahead and click on here. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here. And this is going to pump up right here. Go ahead and click on here. And instantly, the refund will be successful, just like what you see right here. Next thing you want to do is to click on here to close this pump up. By the time we refresh this section here, the product will no longer be found right here. This is because our refund has been done successfully. Lastly, we need to go ahead and check our Alipay to confirm the money has been successfully deposited back into our Alipay. So I'm going to assist my 1688 right here, and I will go ahead and open up my Alipay. And open up my Alipay right here. I've opened up my Alipay. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on message right here. There we go. Now you can see 1688 refund notice of 23 yuan. It's that simple. This is how to get a refund for out of stock items on 1688. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your 1688 Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or IBFish, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.